Good morning, everyone. I'm here in Orlando again. Today we're going to try something different. I'm by myself today, so I wanted to try this little lure here. I don't know if you guys can see it. The Trout Magnet Slayer, the Slayer kit. But let's see what we can catch with this today. I'm using a 1/64 ounce mule jig with it. I like the mule jigs because they have that bait keeper on it, and it actually does work pretty damn good. So let's try it out using my trusty St. Croix Ultra Legend Elite pan fishing rod, 6 foot, with my trusty Shimano Vanquish 1000 and 4-pound braid. So let's see. And if you like what you see, go ahead and comment and subscribe. Have a good one. Come on, little guy, stop it. I guess you guys can see him. Wow. He was really hungry. He wanted that one. A nice little guy. Nice. What did I get here? Wow. This guy. Pretty colors. Good little fish. Oops, sorry, buddy. Oh my Lord. Oh Lord, really? I lost my line. Gonna have to go and retie again. Wow. Be right back. All right, I tied back on. I went and found my jig with my little plastic, and Yeah, you wanted it, didn't you? Look at that little guy. It's pretty. He really wanted it. And you stuck me. Good gosh. Look at the colors in this one. Don't wet the camera, buddy. That's a nice one. This little guy out. Up. That's a nice one. What's up, guy? Not a big one, but he is one. Oof. He's a mean guy. Look at this little guy. He got me good. Nice little green breast. Okay. Nope. That could happen. Such a beautiful dog. Good gosh. It's another one. I'm getting a whole bunch of these little guys. They said, uh-oh, the king is coming. Let's hide. Another one. Oh, he took it in pretty good. That's why you bring the pliers, the trusty pliers. I don't like to kill him. A nice one. Oh Lord. Yeah, I'm gonna be tired as heck when I get home. Woo! I prayed this morning that God will let me fish and hold off on my pains. I think he's trying to tell me to start going home. I'm loving it. I am loving it. Small, be it feisty. You know, I got laughed at the other day when somebody asked me, "Hey, why you throwing back those fish? Those are good eating." I says, "No, man, I don't eat them." Some people hate it that I do that I don't eat the fish. I'm like, why? I can go to the store and get some salmon. I don't have to eat a panfish if I don't want to. You gonna tell me what I can and can't eat? Come on. Sticky Ricky. Slicky Ricky. I don't know how many that is that I caught today. Oh man, again. Oh, never mind. Another one. Whoa. Look at the camera. Okay. Alrighty, so we're done fishing for today. And we caught a couple. I lost count, but we caught a couple. And I broke off twice. Found my jig, put it back on, broke off again, tied a new one on, and it's hot. It is definitely really, really hot. So, well, this was today's adventure. Tomorrow's another day. I'm getting ready to go to a gas station and get me something really cold to drink. I forgot to bring some water out with me, and yeah, it's very hot. But I keep you updated and posted. But if you like the content, you know, subscribe, hit that button, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. If you don't like the content, well, thank you for viewing. And but if you do, there'll be more of this. Day by day, little by little, we'll get up there. Not trying to do this for money. I'm just trying to have fun and just enjoy it, you know. That's what we have to do. Have to enjoy the fact that we can wake up in the morning, God blesses us, and we do what we need to do throughout the day. And like today, I woke up and my honey went to work. I'm always off on Fridays, so it's a good thing. And I just wanted to have some fun, so I came out here. I almost killed myself twice. I slipped, I fell, and when she sees this, she's gonna laugh. But anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless you guys. Bye-bye.